Today I'll be demonstrating installation of the leading edge chromatic articulated arm system for LED lights or cameras with a cold shoe mount on any sharpening system with a horizontal rod of 8mm or 6mm. The two examples I'll be using today is the Hapstone R2 sharpening system and my own leading edge sharpening system. Let's start with the leading edge system. It has a 8mm horizontal rod, and the mount for the articulated arm will be the 8mm mount option from Chromatic. Slots right on the top of the horizontal rod there, and it simply locks into position. For the articulated arm, the back part of the threaded rod will go into the mount. A quick demonstration of the articulated arm. We have thumb screws for various angles of movement everywhere in the articulated arm. So basically you can loosen the thumb screws, twist it in whatever position you want, lock it in position, thumb screws on the hinges, same thing, lock it in position. For the light mount itself, move it around, lock it into position, and the light also slots into a regular cold shoe mount and can be locked into position. So I'm just going to remove the mount itself from the leading edge system. So let's thread it onto the 8mm holder. Pop it in place on the bar. This. And now I've got the articulated arm installed in position on the leading edge sharpening system. So let's put a light in here. Lock that in position. Let's rotate that to where we want it. Lock everything up. Turn on the light, and you've got the articulated arm anywhere you want in position. Small lights, bigger lights, or like I said, any camera mount that can use a cold shoe mount. Remove this from the leading edge system. Install it on the Hapstone system. Again, it's an 8mm bar. Put the light where you want it. And there you have a light system for a Hapstone sharpening system. Certain sharpening systems have a 6-inch horizontal bar or 6mm horizontal bar. And we also have an adapter for the cold shoe mount articulated arm for a 6mm horizontal bar sharpening system.